Hi guys, it's Awesome Gaming and Numismatics here today, and I bought this gold doubloon kit by National Geographic, and it's supposed to have 2 gold replica doubloons and 3 pieces of pyrite in here. It's pretty hefty, and it comes with this map. You could pause and read it. And it comes with the usual tools. And I'm gonna go and open this right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the packaging, a big treasure chest. And now we're gonna let it just soak in the sink, and I'll be right back when it's time to dig.